Friends, when it comes to health, there is no quick fix or destination where once we reach, everything will be fine. Health is a journey that we have to keep on following. Just like there are some rules for any journey, and if these rules are not followed, you can also have an accident. In the same way, there are some rules for this journey of our health, following which not only makes the journey of our life easier, not only do we remain more healthy, but we are also able to enjoy our life more. So in today's video, I am going to tell you about such 16 rules, by following which you can always remain healthy. So quickly sit down with a pen and paper and write down all these rules and put them in a place where you can see them every day so that you remember all these rules well. So let's start this interesting video without any delay and know about all these rules in full detail. Friends, because there are many rules, so today I am going to tell you a lot about them. I will not go into much detail so that this video does not become too long, although I will try to explain everything to you in short in such a way that you understand everything well. But still, if you do not understand anything, then you can ask me in the comment section below, and yes, we have worked very hard to make this video and to curate all these rules. So if you like this video and you get any benefit from it, then do like it and also share it with everyone. So let's start with today's first rule, which is that you should always use rock salt in food. Rock salt, which is also called pink Himalayan salt, does not work to increase water retention and blood pressure in the body like white salt, and that is why eating it does not have much bad effect on your health. The second rule is that you must walk at least 500 steps after eating dinner at night. Research shows that walking after eating dinner at night reduces your weight, does not cause gas and acidity, and you also get good sleep. The third rule is that you should drink water at least after half an hour after eating food. Drinking water immediately after eating food weakens digestion and also increases weight, and your stomach also starts swelling and bloating occurs. The fourth rule is that you must drink 3 to 4 liters of water in a day. By doing this, you will be protected from almost every kind of stomach disease. You will never have kidney stones, and harmful toxins will also be cleaned from the body. The fifth rule is that you must drink a glass of lukewarm water after waking up in the morning, and as soon as you wake up in the morning, you must also splash cold water in your eyes. What happens by doing this is that your body gets detoxed and eyesight also improves. The sixth rule is that you should never use refined oil for cooking, instead you should use cow ghee instead. Refined oil is made after a lot of chemical processing, and it is very harmful for your health. By the way, if you cannot afford cow ghee, then if yes, then you can use mustard oil or coconut oil or unrefined sesame oil. The seventh rule is that you should use as many colorful things in food as you can. That is, you have to make your food colorful and avoid whiteness. By including colorful vegetables and fruits in food, you get a lot of vitamins, minerals and proteins which are beneficial for your health. Friends, our eighth rule is an extension of this rule, and that is that you should avoid white things in food. White things like white sugar, white salt, white rice and white flour, all these things are full of calories and have very less fiber, so eating them can cause obesity, constipation, and the body does not get a lot of nutrients from them. All these things harm. The ninth rule is that you should never eat curd, rajma and rice in dinner. According to Ayurveda, eating these things at night causes gas in the stomach and acidity. The problem of weight gain starts arising, so if you have to eat these things, you should always eat them during the day. The 10th rule is that you should never drink tea and coffee on an empty stomach in the morning. Drinking tea and coffee on an empty stomach causes more acid to be produced in the stomach and reduces appetite. If you have to drink tea in the morning, then always eat something light in the morning for breakfast, and only after that you should drink tea or coffee. The 11th rule is that you should never eat heavy food at night. By doing this, weight increases very fast. Our metabolism becomes sluggish, and the risk of diabetes, cholesterol and even heart attack also increases. The 12th rule is that you must eat an apple every day. I am sure, friends, you must have heard this thing sometime before, that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So you must follow this rule as well, and you must eat a whole apple every day. The 13th rule is that you must walk 10,000 steps every day. You have to set a target for this. Nowadays, all of us have, if you have smartphones, then in every smartphone you will definitely find some app that tracks your steps. So through these steps, keep in mind that you are definitely walking at least 10,000 steps daily. However, if you are not able to walk that much in the beginning, then you must walk at least 5 to 7,000 steps in the beginning and gradually increase it to 10,000 steps. Walking is a very good and easiest exercise for health. What happens with this is that the risk of many diseases like diabetes, obesity, blood pressure or heart attack etc. is reduced to a great extent. The 14th rule is that you must drink a glass of lemon water daily. By drinking lemon water, you will be protected from obesity and the body will also be detoxed. Lemon is also a very rich source of vitamin C. So what happens with this is that your immunity also increases and you are also protected from various small and big diseases that arise during the change of seasons. The 15th rule is, friends, that you must eat a big bowl of salad half an hour before having lunch. Friends, eating salad is very beneficial for health. You can eat it at any time of the day except at night. But if you eat salad half an hour before having lunch, then you get very good benefits from it. What happens with this is that your sugar remains under control, obesity reduces, energy increases in the body and your digestion also improves. The first rule, that is, our last rule of today, friends, is that you should always drink water while sitting and sip by sip. You should avoid drinking it all at once or drinking it while standing. Another thing related to water, which you should take special care of, is that you should never drink very cold water. If you always make a habit of using lukewarm water, then you will never have any stomach disease. Your cholesterol will also decrease and the body will also be detoxed and obesity will also start reducing. By the way, if it is summertime and you cannot drink lukewarm water, you do not like it, then in such a situation you can drink normal cold water. Take water of room temperature or you can also use water from a pot. So friends, these are the 16 rules which if a person starts following, then he can 100% save himself from many different types of diseases. Remember, staying healthy is not as difficult as we think. All you need is to adopt the right things and avoid the wrong things. Nature has designed our body in such a way, friends, that our body in a way can cure its disease on its own, fight every disease and heal itself on its own. But for this, it is necessary that we give our body such an atmosphere, such nutrition that it can do this work properly. Friends, I hope you must have liked today's video and you must have learned something new from it. If you liked this video, then like it. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel and also share this video with everyone. I take leave from you with the promise that I will meet you again in a new video on this channel. This is a very nice video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Keep laughing, keep smiling, keep learning something new every day so that you can stay healthy always.